How do you know if your cough is from allergies or something else? This is a common question, especially during allergy season when many people experience similar symptoms. Well, there are some telltale signs to look out for. Recognizing these signs can help you determine whether your cough is allergy-induced or due to another cause. First and foremost, allergic coughs are often dry and hacking, rather than producing phlegm. This type of cough can be persistent and irritating, making it difficult to go about your daily activities. You might also experience other allergy symptoms alongside the cough, like sneezing. Sneezing is your body's way of trying to expel the allergens that are causing irritation.